If your engine makes this gurgling sound after driving through water, you're about to spend $15,000. This usually means water is getting where it shouldn't be in your engine. Most people think it's just a weird noise and keep driving, but hydrolocking happens fast. It's caused by water entering your cylinders through the air intake or damaged seals. If you don't check it immediately, the pistons will try to compress water, bend your connecting rods, and destroy your entire engine. Save this before it costs you everything.